Hello and welcome to this art tutorial with Shannon. We will be making a magic wand. You will need paper, scissors, a stick, glue, and an assortment of colors. Let's begin. Take out our page and draw a star. Fold your page over and trace it. Then fold it back and trace it again. Our stars should now be the same size. When you are ready, decorate and color your stars. Awesome, now color in the extra paper. And color the other side. Draw little hearts, flowers, and other cute pictures. When you are ready, cut out strips of the colored paper. Cut them in squiggly lines. Cut out your stars. Then cut out your little objects. Great! Turn over one of the stars and stick the ends of the strip to the bottom middle of your star. Next, curl the pieces. You can stick your hearts and flowers onto the twirled pieces. Now put your stick down and glue your two stars together. And there you go, a magical wand. Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. I would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send a picture. Be safe, be cool, be creative.